pay to park up here. I'd be okay with that, because I don't have to pay. I'm not coming up here. Motorcycle gang, wow. Those trike owners, they cracked me up. 50 years ago, they were badasses. When I get old, I'm not getting a trike. If I can't do this on two wheels, I probably don't need to do it. I'll buy another convertible. They probably won't have they won't have cars when I get that old. Google Jetson 1. Jetson 1. Google that. That's what I would like to have. Just fly around and see stuff. I think that company's going to be amazing. If somebody comes up with the longer lasting battery. The problem with that thing is you only get like 20 minutes on a flight. But if you could get an hour and a half, 2 hours on a charge, be able to fly through the mountains on the treetops and go somewhere. All right, look, we're at the strippers. Look at what a terrible job they're doing. I don't know if you can see it. It's wet right here. It's still wet. It's amazing to me that nobody's actually driven over it. I've been behind them on like Tennessee 68, where cars get anxious and they pass the paint truck and end up with yellow paint all over the side of their car. But that's cool. At least the strippers are behind us now. But we still have a long ways to go to get to Gatlinburg. Now you know why I don't come here. Ever. But look how pretty that is. Look at the line of traffic. It's not even worth me passing them. All it does is make people angry. They get jealous because they're stuck in their soccer mom SUV flicking boogers out the window like the dude from Pennsylvania just did, while the people on the motorcycles just cruise on by them. freaking coasting faster these people are driving. It's nice. It's good. Just litter. Just litter there, genius. Come through the national park in your GMC LRZ 3280. Just throw all your crap out. There's the park rangers. Oh, he's in cuffs. That dude's in cuffs. How do you do that? Chimney's picnic area. Man, we got so far to go. Ugh. Why can't they just drive? Just drive. And what the hell does he keep throwing out his window? Alright, what's he throwing out? Did you just see that? What's he throwing out? Every 2 minutes. Every minute. You're in the national forest. Keep the crap in your car, dum-dum. There it is again. I'm tired of seeing that shit. Man, people are just disgusting pigs. Get yourself a garbage bag and put it in your car. Keep your crap in your car until you get to the gas station and then throw it in the garbage can next to the pump. Don't be throwing stuff out in our national forest. Just because you do it up in freaking Pennsylvania doesn't mean you have to come to North Carolina and Tennessee and throw your garbage out the window. Okay. End of rant.